Dickinson is a family business, and we've worked with them for a number of years. As you can see from these two photographs, there's been growth. The kids who were children are now teenagers and a working, viable part of the business. The daughter has done designing for some of their specialty cutting boards. We are very happy to have a new order. Well, I'm not sure what's in it. I placed the order 2 months ago, and so we're in for some surprises. Here we go. One of my favorite things that they do is the Lazy Susan. I love Lazy Susans. They're very functional, and I have several. This is a very nice size to have near your stove, or perhaps if you have a large cabinet to put in the cabinet. I have one a little bigger than this on my table, but this, you can see, has a very good mechanism. Here is a second one. You can see all the different woods, same woods, but how they look different in each piece because of the positioning and the way it's cut.
Does that card show the woods that are in?
Yes. If you look on the back of the card where I showed you their picture, they have a list of the woods that they use with pictures, so you can match it up.
Looks like all American hardwoods.
Yes. Mm-hmm. They are in central Indiana and have been in business for 36 years, I guess. It says it started in 1990, and this is 2026, so it's about 36 years. All right, this is something big. Let's see. Let's do this one first. Handle boards and oval boards. I can get rid of the packing. See the designs. This will also be a nice size to serve. Large presentation board. We'll see. Okay. On the top, we have two smaller size of the handle board. And underneath, we have two of what they call their presentation board. Some people might call it a charcuterie board. Others might even use that as a tray, TV tray, whatever. Notice the interesting grain in the wood. Imagine if I turn that over, it's gone. Almost. There's just a slight bit of it there.
Mother Nature.
Yeah, the boards will be different on each side. So people frequently say, well, I would not use that board. It's too pretty. And my response, pick the side you like better. Use that to serve on. Use the other side to cut on. Boards are to be used. All right, that was that box. Let's see what's in the other one. This is the small board that has the drip or juice tray around the edge. Okay. Again, notice the different positioning of the woods. It's really nice contrast. Right. And here are a couple the same size, but they are plain. They do not have the tray. Actually, 3, because here's a third one of the plain ones. If you look behind me, you will see the display. We have quite a few more of their pieces of their work. This is a fill-in order to get the stock back up to where it needs to be for the spring. Oh, and now this is a new piece. Bowls just became a part of their line maybe last year, maybe fall preceding year, but they were round. The heart bowl is new, and the grain on this one is just really, really fabulous. Okay. There's one more box in here, a little bigger and a lot heavier. Love these. Now this is where we really get into the beautiful, beautiful grains, the ingrained cutting boards. And you can see how interesting the grain is and see how perfect these little squares are. They're just beautiful. See if we can find a home for those.
Those are lifetime cutting boards. End grain is much harder than edge grains. These are really oh, that is a fabulous board.
Isn't that gorgeous? Look at all the different, the contrast in the color of the woods and the type of wood, and then also in the grain. All right, and then underneath that we have looks like two larger boards with the tray, the dirt tray. You want to serve a piece of meat on this when you slice it and you get juices, it's going to catch those. And I think that is the second one, and the bottom of the box. These will be added to the display behind me. It has a lot more of their work. Spread these out a little better. So, I love these. These are just magnificent. This over, get back so you can see the oval ones again, and then the smaller handle boards are the larger of the two sizes that came in, and this is the smaller of the two sizes. And then our Lazy Susans. All right, this is a great addition to the group. We hope you'll come see it. Again, we are in Smith Galleries in the Village at Wexford. On Hilton Head. We are here 10 to 5 Monday through Saturday, and can be reached by telephone at 843-842-2280. Come see us and see this beautiful new work.